Alright, it's 7 a.m. We're about to make a trip down from Jacksonville to the promised land of New Smyrna. Desperate times call for desperate measures when we're in a flat spell for about a month or more now. It's gonna be fun. We went down last weekend. Yeah, it's looking fun. Got all the camera gear, the drone, lens, GoPro, and of course, a couple brews. Yo, you ready? Yeah, I'm just about to pack up and head out.
Shit, we're going for the second weekend in a row now.
Yeah.
It's, I don't know. We'll see how it goes again this time.
Well, then I'm gonna start my trek down there. I'll just see you on the beach. Look for the canopy tent this time. I'll bring the tarp.
Yeah, don't bring the tent this time.
Last weekend, I forgot the damn tarp for the canopy tent, so I just had the frame. Make sure I got that, and bring out a little old school fish. Vegan. Just arrived in Smyrna. It's firing. Dan, what's your opinion?
I don't have an opinion.
That took way too long. So we just got rained out down at the inlet, but it was super fun. I wish I got more coverage. I wish I got some drone clips. I didn't even get another chance to paddle out for a second time, and the storm front came in while I was taking some photos and videos of Dan. Yeah, I didn't even get to pack up all my gear. I just kind of threw it in the car because everything was just getting wet, so just kind of packed up and just got on the road. Everyone was getting stuck on the beach. The tide was coming up. All the cars were kind of forced to drive in softer sand, so everyone was getting stuck. So we decided to head out. We'll be back to the motherland for another Smyrna trip. All right, just got back from Smyrna. I didn't even get to change. I'm still in the towel because it got poured on. Even though I do think a towel is the best post-surf attire you can wear for up to a couple hours. But yeah, everything's soaked, so I'm gonna have to unpack. Oh yeah, so check this out. So it was actually my first wave with like a good line to it, and I was just kind of hungry for a wave, and I saw a guy riding towards me down the line from the other end, and he kind of kooked it towards me, and I felt a little kooky too, and we just kind of collided. But I ended up jumping in between our boards, so we didn't get dings on our boards, but I ended up hitting my my shin on the rail here. I don't know if you can see it, but I've got like a couple hairs from my leg sticking out. And I looked down at my leg, and I got a gash. It didn't look like a bad cut because it was in the water, but when I got out, it was just kind of bleeding down my leg for, you know, a good 10 minutes. So don't check your cuts underwater. We're about to get ready and go to Topgolf. So I'm just gonna clean up, get ready, and I'll catch you guys later. Ollie.